Hey, it's Gia from Brand24. Today I'm going to show you how to filter and analyze your mentions by location. So let's start with how to filter by location. First, log into your Brand24 account. Next, select the project that you want to work with. From your dashboard, you can see all your mentions. To filter by location, go to the location filter on the right-hand side and click on the search field. The first 5 countries you see are the top 5 most popular countries for your project. You can choose any country of interest below that or just enter it manually. Select any country to view just the mentions from that country. And now you know how to filter your mentions by location. If you want to analyze your mentions by location, all you have to do is head to your most active locations right inside your analysis tab. That's where you'll find a list of the most popular countries for your project, the estimated social media reach in those countries, as well as your total number of mentions for each individual country. To view your most active locations, just click on your Analysis tab from the side menu on the left. Now scroll down till you see your most active locations. This list shows you the most popular countries for your project. Second is your total number of mentions from that country. And that's it! Now you know how to both filter and analyze your mentions by location.